Everybody, it's Derek at the Photo Pros. It's good to see you this Friday morning for the film video. Hey, just a quick reminder, we have the film photography course coming up in August. It comes with this kit to develop your film, 2 rolls of film, and everything you need to know. It's going to be a 2-part class. First part of the class is going to be going over film photography, how to load your camera, what all these little buttons and dials mean, and then the second part will be how to load the film into the container. If you have any questions, give me a call at the store at 314-567-3456. Look at this little bubble if you forgot what I just said. And also at the end of this video, I'll have a few examples of some photos that I took on HP5. Hope to see you then, and have a great day.